everyone has a sugar rush. Everyone has a sugar rush for no matter what it's for, whether it's for cookies, cake, ice cream, whatever. Everyone has a sugar rush. But there are some people out there in this world that cannot enjoy or satisfy their sugar rush because they have a disorder called diabetes. Diabetes is nationwide. You probably know someone with diabetes. 18.8 million people have been diagnosed with the disorder. 7 million people have not been diagnosed with it, and 7 million more people are on the verge of having this disorder. Diabetes has two types. They have to change. People who are diabetic have to change their living styles, and there are future treatments and developments they're making in science to help out with this disorder. Type 1 diabetes is where the the beta cells in the pancreas stop making insulin. And it's common in kids, adolescents, and early adulthood. Insulin is a substance that breaks down the food that we eat into the energy that we use daily to do our daily routines. Type 2 diabetes, where the pancreas just slows down the insulin process, and once it slows down, you feel weak and you feel weary. This diabetes is more common in older people and older Americans. Diabetics have to change their living styles completely, from what they eat, how much they eat, the places they go. They have to just change their living style completely. My grandmother's a diabetic. She has to wake up in the morning and give her insulin. She give herself insulin shots. She's a type 2 diabetic. She has to get up, eat. She can't eat large quantities of like fried food, red meats. She can't eat too much sugar. She has to eat mainly fruit-oriented foods, vegetable-oriented foods. She can't go to many places where she can't get to a bathroom. She has to go. Being a diabetic, constantly always going to the bathroom. Your urinary system regulates more than the average human being. She can't be in a place where the temperature is either too hot or too cold because it messes with her blood pressure. She can't eat salty foods because that also messes with her blood pressure. She can't stand up for so long because she gets weary. They have to just change their whole living style. They have to adjust everything they do in their daily content just because they have diabetes. There are being new developments made in diabetes. They're trying to warn people early about the stages of diabetes because it's more common in obese people. So they try to tell you to work out, eat right. They're starting to teach it from a young age. They're making patches to stop the needle injections to the finger, and they stop the amount of blood being lost. Because sometimes you have some cases where you prick yourself and the blood just loses out of control and just comes rushing out. So they're trying to make patches with the insulin needle and just soak into your skin. They're trying to get machines that can read blood pressure and glucose levels because they don't have too many machines to do that now. But diabetes is just around everyone, and we should be aware of the fact that diabetes can creep up on you, and we should try to live right, eat right to prevent this disorder.